Hello everybody, on this SLK I got the headlights. They're extremely yellowed and not so clear, so I got this kit online. Apparently we're supposed to sand down with 180, then 280, then 360, then 600, then 800, then 1200, and you're not sanding few rips in here and there. You actually literally have to sand even surface. Like you can't leave spots, so you have to spend a little time. I would say at least good 2 to 3 minutes on each sandpaper, and by the time you hit the last sandpaper you should be able to have a very smooth headlight surface. And then you would apply the chemical they give you, and then you will use one of these cups and steamer right here to steam on the headlights to repair the glass. So I'm going to try it, see how it works. So first 180 is done. I'm going to move on with the next step, which is 280. And what you do have, you take the 280, and I normally break it in half like this, and then use it on the headlights. So you can't use it dry. You have to have a water and soap spray on the headlights really good, and you gotta take your time. So if your first sanding was like this, the next one should be this. You gotta choose different patterns with each layer of sand. Right now I'm down to 800 sandpaper, and the headlights has a lot more smoothness to it. It's not as rough. So I got a last pass of 1200. See how it turns out. So I got the liquid in here, and you can see it's steaming. And as I apply close to the headlight, really close, it actually works. So the only way this wouldn't work is if you had not sanded the headlight properly. That's the only way this process would fail, because the smoother the surface there is, the better this thing has to work with. So I think sanding is like it will tire your arm very fast if you do it all right. Definitely. But at the end, sanding took me about an hour. What are you trying to do basically by sanding is create a brand new surface on the plastic. By sanding it, you're basically creating a very smooth surface if you take all the steps correctly. And this right here, helps repair that gaps and areas from the sandpaper. So you basically want to make sure you sand the surface to with a recommended sandpaper grid, and at the end you should have extremely smooth surface, not rough to the touch. You don't want to have heavy pores in it. Ta-da! You can see this looks amazing. Compare that to that, we got a brand new looking headlight. So I'm gonna go over it one more time with this, and I'll have a happy customer. What you basically need to do is to make sure use each grid of sandpaper, and you have to create small areas and overlap the areas with sandpaper. And if you do it right, this product will work. What I bought is I don't know what brand this is. I'll put a link in the description. It's on Amazon. So if you have Amazon account, you should be able to buy it. This is a few dollars. And if you have a headlight set worth $500-$600, this will help you save them. It takes about an hour of your time and a lot of elbow grease. Well, thanks so much for watching, everybody. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.